Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at the loyalty management program. First go to the plugin settings and activate this loyalty management feature. Click on the settings to configure it. Give the validity of the loyalty program and minimum spend and maximum spend. After completing the settings, go to this income and click on this loyalty management and click on add loyalty point. So here it will ask you to choose the customer type. For example, I am selecting walk-in customer and select the type of program and give the purchase value and the customer point value. Click on this save. Also ensure that all customers are properly mapped to their respective customer types. Once this setup is done, go to this invoice and add new invoice. So select a customer who is already mapped to a customer type. So scroll down and select the product. Enter the purchase value and so you can see the loyalty points. So you can redeem a portion of these points. For example, you can redeem out to 1000 to 2000 directly in the invoice. So redeemed amount will be automatically deducted from the total points. So this feature helps you attract and retain more customers by rewarding them for their purchase. And also you can view all this loyalty program in the report. So go to the report section, click on this customer loyalty points. So here you can see all the customers with their customer code. So you can see the gain points and how much is redeemed and how much is available. Hope this video may be helpful. Thank you for watching.